What does Ryan treat his wife with? Are you planning for a Valentine's gift for your partner, friends, or even yourself? Well, watch this video till the end because if you skip this, you might just miss out on something that you'll totally regret, which is the love for your heart. So, why do we celebrate Valentine's Day? It's supposed to be a symbol of love, and it's not just for couples. It's for everybody, including friends, family, and you, because every form of love deserves to be celebrated. For couples, it's a whole lineup of special days, starting from Rose Day and leading up to Kiss Day, isn't it? Every day needs to be celebrated. Nahi to girlfriend thappad dega, hai na? But Ryan sir, I am single, no girlfriend, no boyfriend. So what do people like us do by watching your video? That's exactly why I made this for everyone. Whether you're in a relationship, happily single, or just here for the love of good food or good nutrition, this one's got something for you. Because here's the truth. Before you can truly love someone else, you need to love yourself first. And that, my friends, is the real deal. Self-love comes first always. Beyond all your stuffy gifts, the real connection comes through food. My friends, trust me, 15 plus years of experience is talking with you today. So listen in. They say that the way through a man's heart is through his stomach. And by the way, through my wife's heart too. And it's obvious through chocolate and chocolate-based recipes. Ooh, the way she swoons while she's eating chocolate. Okay, get back, Ryan. Why am I suggesting chocolate? Well, it's not about the taste, it's about what's inside. Now, hold up your horses. It doesn't mean you go out and buy Kit Kat or Munch. Buy a dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, as it is packed with antioxidants that supports heart health and even gives your mood a boost. Now, for my single folks out there, who says you need a date to enjoy chocolate? Treat yourself. Indulge in a piece of dark chocolate as an act of self-love. It lifts your moods, reduces stresses, and gives you that happy, in-love feeling minus the drama. Pair it with your favorite book, a cozy movie night, or just let every bite melt into your mouth, because love starts with you. And dark chocolate isn't just a mood booster, it's a prebiotic that helps balance gut bacteria, supporting emotional well-being. 90 to 95% of serotonin is made in the gut, and it plays a key role in regulating digestion and mood to the gut-brain axis. Remember, the gut is your second brain. A study found that high-dose cocoa polyphenols, about 500 milligrams, significantly improved mood, but lower doses didn't. So if your gut's out of balance, how can you expect to feel good? Take care of your gut. Eat the right foods and your brain will thank you. Plus, these dark chocolate contains phenylethylamine, PEA, a natural stimulant known as the love drug because your brain releases it when you're falling for someone. It makes you feel good, excited, and connected. Here's my bonus point. 20 grams of flavonoid-rich dark chocolate a day can satisfy cravings and protect your skin from UV damage. And so you're not just indulging, you're glowing. So remember, the darker the chocolate, the better. Now that I've told you about one such love superfood, are you ready for the next one? So my next love superfood is something that you've probably seen in Bollywood movies. Sone se pehle, kesar ka doodh pee lo. But there's more to it than just tradition on a wedding night. Saffron, kesar, is a natural aphrodisiac, meaning it helps boost libido. It enhances your mood. A study from a hospital in Iran found that women with low sexual desire due to antidepressants who took 30 milligrams of saffron daily for 4 weeks experienced less discomfort, increased desire, and better lubrication compared to those who didn't. This is one reason men should always brew a cup of kesar doodh with saffron for your wives. Saffron is also known to promote emotional bonding. It helps reduce stress, lifts your mood, and increases the feel-good hormone serotonin, making you feel more connected to your partner and even to yourself. So whether in warm milk or saffron into your meals, saffron isn't just luxurious. It's a spice for love and connection. So go add it to your bedtime warm milk or a dessert you're preparing for your partner. Next, love superfood is strawberries. Research shows strawberries are rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, which support neurotransmitters and emotional well-being. A UC Davis study found that daily strawberry consumption for 6 weeks improved focus, emotional regulation, and reduced cortisol, the stress hormone, whilst increasing serotonin, the happiness hormone. But make sure you go organic. Strawberries are heavily sprayed with pesticides and fertilizers, so be cautious. Every time I see them being sold on the footpaths and on the street signals, I'm like, like strawberries are sprayed with pesticides. Be cautious, buy organic. And you can find these organic strawberries in markets. And I've linked the app I use for my organic goods in the description below. Strawberries are typically available in India from January to April, so make the most of them during this season. Next up, let's talk about nuts. Good for your brains and, well, a little something extra. My pick are almonds and walnuts. They aren't just crunchy delights. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that fuel your brain, lift your mood, and decrease stress levels. Whether you're setting the mood for a dreamy date night or indulging in some well-deserved me time, these little powerhouses help you relax, unwind, and soak in the moment. Snack on a handful. Feel the love within and channel that boosted mood. Another nut that you could consider are Brazil nuts. They not only reduce the stress in your body but also enhance your brain health. Now, before I tell you another little food secret, just preparing food and feeding yourself or your partner isn't enough. The ambience, the mood also matters. Make sure you have music on whilst you cook to pour in that extra romance into your food. All these superfoods are perfect for sweet treats, but let's take it up a notch. Here's a little secret I use to boost my bedroom performance, and no, it's not what you're thinking. Did you know watermelons aren't just for cooling off on a hot day, but it's an aphrodisiac too? They are packed with citrulline, lycopene, and beta-carotene, which works magic by relaxing your blood vessels. And guess where citrulline is most concentrated? Yup, in the rind, not just the juicy flesh. Add it to your juices, smoothies, or make pickles for that punch. Now, if you're looking to spice things up, fenugreek or methi is your go-to. It boosts testosterone and helps with arousal and pleasure, whilst also supporting your metabolism, reducing cholesterol, and making you feel more energized. I recommend it for him and her. I know it can be a bit bitter, but you can soak it or enjoy it with a little honey or jaggery, boil it and drink the water, or even add it to your curry paste. I add it to my coffee. But hey, that's just the beginning. If you're really looking to turn things up a notch, why not let these superfoods do their things and add some extra spark this Valentine's? Believe me, your heart as well as your body will thank you. And of course, you'll thank me later. Let's not forget, the vibe of the evening matters too. Set the mood with soft, warm lighting. Think candles or fairy lights to create cozy and intimate atmosphere. Incorporating soothing colors like soft pinks, reds, or even calming neutrals to enhance the relaxation experience. Whether you're flying solo or spending the evening with someone special, add a touch of aromatherapy with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus for a calming effect. You don't have an oil diffuser? No worries. Just light an agarbatti or incense sticks to fill the air with calming scents. And of course, slip into your favorite comfy clothes, because a cozy night in is just as important as the treats you indulge in. Valentine's Day is a perfect reminder to celebrate self-love and the bonds you share between family and friends. Whether you're pampering yourself or showing appreciation to special people in your life, take a moment to recognize the importance of love in all its forms. Don't forget, it's Valentine's Day. You might want to like or share or give me a love sign.